let us have a tour in our poultry house. Okay, this is a typical organic chicken poultry house. So we'll see in this area the nest of our chicken. So it is a box type nesting materials, no? Our chicken. Then let us go inside. So this is the incubation area wherein the egg is incubated in this artificial incubator. After hatching, the chicks are placed in the brooding area. This is the brooding area. So we have the brooder guard, the light, the source of heat, no? And the litter materials. During brooding, we should have enough ventilation in the brooding area, correct and proper temperature. Then litter materials. Then we move down to the next hang in the aisles for easy access of our chicken. Let us proceed. So this is the growing area. The cage is elevated for easy collection of manure. Then we have the lighting facilities. So during brooding, the chicks are in the brooding house for 21 days, and after 21 days we have 9 days of hardening wherein the chicks are partially exposed to the external environment. Then we'll proceed to the roasting area. This is the roasting area. We have the roasting bar or perches. The chicken stay in this area at night. It is elevated for easy collection of manure. This is the cage type brooding house. The chicks are being raised in this cage for 21 days for brooding, for proper supplementation of heat. This is the ranging area or the range area. This area provides sufficient free movement for our chicken. It required 1 square meter per bird. 1 square meter per bird. That's the minimum. No? Then it provides sufficient fresh air and natural daylight according to the needs of our chicken. Less stressful for our chicken, and to manifest normal behavior patterns such as scratching, playing, eating. Must have shaded areas, like we have some trees in this area. Must be safe from predators like rats, dogs, cats, and birds, and also snake. We will see to it that the fences is secured. No entrance for the predators like dogs and cats. Range area must be divided into 4 compartments and surrounded by net. You know? If we have a larger area, it should be divided into several compartments, or called that paddock. Roaming chicken deposit manure directly to the soil. Location should be well drained and flood-free area. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope that you learned a lot from this video. Thank you very much.